Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss how to make money on the same series we are discussing. And here we are going to discuss your insurance premium. Most of the people, even they will be having either, let's say, any kind of life insurance plan, or let's say if you have a luxury car, or maybe you have a luxury bike or something. So definitely you have to pay your yearly premium even towards your general insurance company, or let's say to your health insurance company, or let's say towards your life insurance company, even whatever policy already you have taken. But it's a big headache. Sometimes even, especially if I look out for this life insurance, even all the insurance even put together, if I look out, let's say if somebody is having, let's say, a life insurance of xyz coverage, or let's say somebody is having even a luxury car or luxury bike, or let's say any of the household materials that are already even insured, even including that, even they have already a health insurance plan, because these are all necessary things even in today's world. What is fundamental of insurance, that we have already discussed in my insurance video, so you can go, you can watch, and then you can come back to this video. Other topic definitely we are going to discuss even in coming videos also. Now here we are, a very simple discussion how to make money. Now paying this premium, one of it is very mandatory, because if I don't pay my insurance, life insurance payment, so what will happen, my policy will get lapsed. Whatever the benefit I'm supposed to get, I'm not going to get over this. Even my maturity amount will not be there. Maybe whatever xyz even benefit, even for my health insurance, even that also it will be lapsed. Even let's say god forbid, and when something happens to me, even after even lapsing this policy, so even though I'm admitted to the hospital, even no even benefit, no even coverage will be covered under this plan. So again, that is again a question. Again, on my same thing happens to my general insurance company, even whatever bike, car, even whatever household materials already have covered, even that also, if I'm not going to pay the premium, so that also, even something happens, some burglary happens, some even uh, let's say any kind of accident happens, so that also the coverage will not be paid to the person. Now there will be two thoughts. The one way you might be thinking, why should I go for all this insurance plan, so I can save all my money? So that is not the way to save your money, because it is very very mandatory, very very essential also. Because as you know, what is the importance of life insurance? To save your life. In short, if I tell you, what is the importance of your health insurance? To save your all health even related expenses. Even somebody gets hospitalized and all those even diseases, whatever, it will be covered, it will be there under this plan. And definitely finally, even there is no even choice, even it is mandatory, even though if you're going to purchase any kind of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, or any kind of cars or bikes or anything else, so you have to get a mandatory insurance by the insurance company itself. So there you have actually no choice. And again, depends on your brand, your cc, your engine capacity, all these things, even the premium will be decided. Now the question is, so one set of people, if they are thinking, no, I should not go for all this insurance plan, so just remove this thought, because it is an essential. Whether you do it or not going for it, that is up to you. But one way, if you look out, it is just like an essential. So I'm not here in details of this insurance discussion, so I'm here a different topic, how to make money. Now, so imagine, let's say, put together, if I have all this insurance plan, life, or maybe health, or maybe it is my general insurance coverage, whatever, bike, car, whatever it is. So put together, let's say I need to pay around a lakh together to the insurance company, or let's say particular, maybe on a quarterly basis, or maybe half yearly basis, or maybe it could be a yearly basis. So whatever it is, the mode of actually, I need to pay in a year, let's say a lakhs together money. Maybe it is 1 lakh, maybe it is 2 lakh, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever lakhs together money. So again, how I'm going to pay it? I'm going to pay it from my pocket, again from my earning. So what is happening? Again, go back to my fundamental video. So whatever saving I have already done on my earning, 30%, 40%, on that amount only I'm going to scratch, and I'm going to pay this lakhs together premium to my insurance coverage, because there is no other way I can save and I can pay to this insurance company. Up to here we are all clear. This is the very generic way, even most of the people including me also, we are doing. So what is the new fundamental things, how to make money over here? So coming to the now second part. Now, so how much I need to pay? Let's say imagine let's say I have to pay let's say a 1 lakh rupees in a year, put together all this insurance premium. So you know how much insurance you have, you know how much premium you need to pay. So just an example, I'm just going to tell you, it is let's say a 1 lakh rupees on Indian currency, a simple way. Now if I divide this 1 lakh rupees, so how much it is coming per month? It will be hardly around 8,000 some change it will come. So roughly let's say it is 8,500. I'm just giving an elaborate part. So 8,500 again, if I look out, it is for quarterly, again it will come around 25,000. Half yearly, again if I look out, it will be coming around 50,000. So this calculation is very simple. Even you can again take a pen and paper, you can also calculate. So either I need to pay 1 lakh at a time, either 50,000 half yearly, maybe 25,000 quarterly, or maybe monthly if I have taken any mode. So I have to pay around 8,000 plus whatever the amount. This is a simple mathematics. Now the question over here is how I'm going to pay this money without touching my savings itself, and then only you are going to make your money. Means again, the concept of making money from somewhere, that money on interest, whatever you are going to make, that money you can utilize for even your all insurance premium, so that there will be no thought whether I should go for this insurance plans or not. So that will be completely removed from your mind, from your head itself, and you are exactly will be enjoying even your investment as well as even your savings, as well as even you no need to get OD for your insurance premium payment also. But how it is possible? So again, I am going to give you a simple example. The same 8,500, let's say, the same let's say 50,000. If you are going to save let's say any kind of tool, or let's say if I give you a typical of RD, or let's say if I going to give you a typical example of FD, these are all, I'm just giving as an example. So I'm not here to promote any kind of product, any kind of service that I've already been disclosed, already have declared to all my videos. So let's say if I am having a let's say RD. What is RD? A recurring deposit. So that same money, what I supposed to pay for my insurance premium per month, that I'm going to deposit, let's say, in my RD account, or let's say that I'm going to deposit a lump sum amount to my FD account. Clear? So on this RD, on this FD, whatever I'm going to earn. So again, depends on your bank, depends on your financial organization. So let's say 10, maybe 12%, maybe 8%, maybe 9%, whatever rate of interest you are going to get. If that amount, if you fix it, so what I need to arrange actually 1 lakh. So I need to adjust with this lump sum amount, or I need to pay certain amount for my RD, where on a particular year, or let's say if it is a yearly mode, I need to pay on that particular month. I'm just going to get a maturity amount of this 1 lakh, where entire amount I'm going to pay it for my insurance coverage. Or let's say that FD amount, whatever I'm going to earn as an interest, it should be at least minimum 1 lakh. So if it is 8%, if it is let's say 10%, so how much again I need to keep it as an FD? Maybe around 10 lakhs, or maybe around whatever, uh, 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs, whatever it is, that amount I need to keep it, so that each and every year with that interest 8% or maybe 10%, that 96,000 or maybe that 1,20,000, whatever it is coming, that money is going to clear off all my life insurance, all my health insurance, all my even general insurance, even premium, and I no need to pay from my pocket. That money I'm going to save over here, that money I'm going to take out with interest only, and that money I'm going to run my entire even premiums. So my savings is intact, my premium also it would be not even getting lapsed, and I no need to get worried for anything of my premium part, because it is coming from my again one other investment, another tool, and that money I'm just paying off over here. Interesting. So any more questions, any more plan based on your customized way? If you want to do this, so you have to contact me, you have to just send me a query, or let's say send me, let's say I'm always open to my chat box in my mailbox. So definitely according to your requirement, according to your need, definitely I'm going to help you out. Thanks. Thanks for watching.